Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I have got an actual tiny thing from TEMU for you. So I really love the little tiny mini canvases. I recently unboxed some from the one with the diamond art that I'm really pleased with. Those have been coming along really nicely. If you caught Angel's 8-hour live, you will have perhaps seen me working on one of them there. But I was browsing TEMU, as one does, and I realised they have their own tiny canvases. So I thought it would be remiss of me not to grab a couple and check them out. So here they are. Let's have a look at them. So this one is tiny snowflakes. These are square drill. Ooh. The drills come pre-bagged, which is very nice. You can see there's lovely cool pastel colours there. Drills look pretty good from initial sort of look. No specials, just regular drills. Your standard boat wax pen. And then our canvases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 canvases and our legend. So first impressions, they're very cute little illustrations. They are a sticky poured glue, very clear and easy to read. What I will say is that they have not been very carefully cut. There is some wild inaccuracies in the trim on these ones, and so I'm not sure how they would fare in terms of framing if you wanted to pop these into frames. However, I think what you could do is to cut around them in a circle, and then maybe hang them as or place them on windows. I think they'd work quite nicely that way. I'm not sure that they work as anything other than a fun thing to work on. I'm not sure that they quite fit the bill as frameable art. However, this is £5.51, and as with all TEMU stuff, obviously that's subject to change because of different deals and offers and stuff that they have. But I don't mind that. A nice little Christmas activity, perfect for a stocking filler, obviously. And yeah, I'm all right with that. I shall obviously give you a bit of feedback once I've had a look and worked on them, but they look all right. It's a shame that they haven't thought more about what size they wanted to cut them at, because they're all a little inaccurate. So this one is butterflies. These look slightly larger. Again, boat wax pen. We've got pre-bagged drills. Obviously slightly deeper, more jewel tone colours in this one. I'm not going to get them all out because I'll never get them back in. We've got our legend. It is mostly alphanumeric, one little arrow and a backwards facing G, which is fine. So then here we've got our butterflies. So lots of green tones on these ones. Oh, I wasn't counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 butterflies. Lovely. Again though, they're cut a little close to the design, and you can see, you know, obviously the line where they were supposed to cut hasn't been cut on that one. But so yeah, I don't know. Again, I think framing these might be a bit tricky, but I like them. They will definitely be something small to keep my hands busy and to provide a bit of a relief when working on a larger project, and you just need something little to give you that completion buzz. Weirdly, because of the way TEMU pricing works, these were cheaper. These were £5 and 3p. So there you go. But yeah, I'm quite happy with what I paid for these. These will keep me busy for many, many hours. And you know, if you've got children that want to start diamond painting alongside you, kits like these are going to be a great way to let them experience diamond painting without having to give them a massive canvas that they might find intimidating. Particularly, again, if you've got friends that have seen you diamond paint and you might want to get into it, this is the sort of thing that you could get for them. So £5.51 for the 10 snowflakes, £5 and 3 for the 15 butterflies. Final thing from TEMU that I wanted to share with you is this. There's been a lot of conversation recently about how to diamond paint, or the best tool to use when diamond painting ABs. And I know a lot of people go for the licking the tip of the pen, which for some people grosses them out completely. For other people, it's fine. I'm on the fence. So I spotted this. It is just a little sponge, and it sits in here. It is designed for stamp and envelope moistening. So you will add a little bit of water to here. There we go. And then this is nice and squishy and watery. Oh, there we go. And then we can take our empty diamond painting pen, no wax in there. Let me just grab out some diamonds. So these diamonds are the glittery ones. You can see sometimes the coating on these can cause a bit of a problem, but just by dampening the end of the pen, I can now pick that up, place it on my canvas, and have no problem at all with that. And the same would go for AB drills as well. And then you can just keep here. You can place, how many can I pick up? 1, 2. Yeah, so you might have to dip a couple of times. I think this might be a good solution to people that want to try the water method but don't want to have to lick the end of their pen constantly, because you know, we don't know where these drills have been. But yeah, so this, I just thought maybe there was something in there. This was £1.28. You know, I figure it takes up hardly any space at all on my desk. It's nice and compact. I can keep it there and see how it goes. So that is that from me today. So we've got 2 tiny canvas sets plus the little sponge idea. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you've tried it. I'm fairly certain I'm not the first person to think of using a sponge for this, but I just thought that this was a nice compact way of doing it. So I hope that this has given you some inspiration potentially for some festive gifts or festive decorations, and let me know if you've tried this idea. Thank you to everybody that supports the channel via Patreon or YouTube memberships. Hopefully you will have seen now that YouTube memberships have been adjusted. They are a lot cheaper and more affordable for people, so hopefully that will encourage more of you to check them out, see what perks are available for you, and maybe come and join the Crafty Coven. I'm going to leave this here. Until next time, stay crafty!